going to be talking about the distance around a geometric figure. So with any geometric figure, you can find the distance around it by just adding the lengths of the sides, okay? And that distance around a geometric figure is called the perimeter, all right? So the perimeter is just the way, all the way, if you walk all the way around the outside or want to find the distance all the way around the outside of a geometric figure. And it doesn't matter what shape that geometric figure is, as long as it's a polygon, you can add the lengths of the side. And we'll talk about circles in a minute. But so if we're talking about a rectangle, though, okay, the very basic thing is you can just add all the lengths of the side. So a rectangle, though, has a shortcut. Okay, so the shortcut is perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And you find that because the length is down here, that means there's a length up here. It's the same length. And the width is over here. That means there's a width over here too. So length plus width plus length plus width is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Now, in this case, we have a triangle, all right? And a triangle is, we just add up all the sides. So we go say 25 plus 25 plus 15. All right, so 25 plus 25 plus 15. 25 and 25 is 50 plus 15, and those is 65 centimeters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 65 centimeters. The next one is a rectangle. So we could put 18 up here. We could put 18 here and put 14 here. Okay, but we can say perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, which is 2 times 18 plus 2 times 14. 2 times 18 is 36 plus 28. 36 plus 28. When we add them together, 6 and 8 is 14, carry the 1. 1 and 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6, so it'd be 64 feet. All right? Now, if we're talking about a circle, we're talking about the distance around it is called a circumference. And we need to talk a little bit about the different parts of a circle. If we have a line that goes from one side through the center of the circle over to the other side, that's called the diameter. All right? The other part is called the radius. That just goes just from the center out to the outside edge. So the diameter is 2 times the radius. Okay, it's twice as long as the radius, or a radius is half the diameter. So to find the circumference of a circle, if we're given the diameter, we just say pi, or 3.14, times the diameter. Or if we're given the radius, we're just going to say 2 times pi times the radius. And remember, the diameter right here is 2 times the radius. So it's the same exact formula. It's just written 2 different ways. So find the circumference of the circle. All right, so if I get my calculator into a small size, so we're going to say, we're given a diameter here, right? So we're going to say circumference is equal to pi times the diameter, which is 3.14 times 12. So 3.14 times 12 is 37.68 inches. Okay? If we're given, and we use this formula because we're given the diameter. In this one, we're given a radius. It's only halfway across. So circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Okay, so that would be 2 times 3.14 times 18. And just plug it in. 2 times 3.14 times 18. And we end up with 113.04 centimeters. All right, so that's all we have to do in order to find the perimeter and the circumference of polygons and circles. So make sure you've got those formulas written down, and make sure you ask me questions if you have any questions, and we will talk to you all later on.